Okay, so in last class, we discussed a few things. Let me open the notes last class. Okay. I want to copy the notes from the last class. Control C. Control C and come back. And let me create a new folder on top of the desktop. G by 9. So inside this folder, I want to paste the file. Okay. Let me try to open the notes. What is the class we are discussing? See, we're done with the CSS, how to update CSS, and we're done with HTML also, .html, how we can provide .html, how you can provide text using meta method or .html and all, and how to provide these things. Now, today we will go with some other concept. We will go with the events, how we can able to provide events. The one method is HTML method, another method is CSS method. We can provide .css method also. So what .css method can do? So maybe you can provide individual properties like color and right. So this is the one way, and you can provide multiple properties at the same time also, and that will be an object. And here an object, you need to provide key value pairs, color, right? Okay, and if you want to give the font style, you can give in the CSS way. Font style like italic. Okay, so this way you can write multiple properties also. So let me open the folder. Let me open the yesterday's Sublime text. I'm trying to open Sublime text now. And here, okay, I want to copy the complete thing. CDN. Okay, copy the CDN over there. And I'll try to open the folder for today class. Open folder. And this is 20 by 9. Already created a folder 20 by 9. Yeah, open folder, select folder. Okay, so here I'm pasting the file. I want to create a new file now. This one is a new file. I'm just pasting here. Okay, try to save the file and give as event. So we want to provide events, right? Let me give the events now. Events dot HTML. Okay, jQuery events, right? jQuery underscore events dot HTML. Okay, fine, and click on save button. Now what I want to do is I want to provide an event on top of the okay, this heading is jQuery click event. Okay, let's try to take a button. I'm taking a button over there. Let me take a button and click me. So what I want to do is I want to attach event on top of the button. So this is the button. Dot click. There is a function called click. CLICK, and you can call a function one. And let's try to implement a function one. Okay, this is a function, and for this function, I want to give an alert box. Alert button clicked. Button clicked. I want to give a simple message when you click on the button. Okay, now try to observe the program output. And click on the button. When you click on the button clicked, alert got fired. So writing event in jQuery is very simple, straightforward. Writing event in jQuery is simple and straightforward. But in the JavaScript, if you want to write an event, you need to write a lengthy code, right? In JavaScript, if you want to write an event, you need to write a lengthy code. What is the code for the JavaScript? Okay, for example, the same functionality if I want to do the JavaScript. When you want to do for the JavaScript, that could be a very, very lengthy one. For example, in JavaScript, if you want to write the same thing, okay, document dot get elements by tag name, get elements by tag name of the tag is button, okay, button of 0, okay, then dot add event listener, then I want to provide a event called click, then I need to write a function on one. See, this much lengthy code we need to write in the JavaScript, but in jQuery we don't have that much code. So directly you can give simple method dot click. That's it. Dot click. Okay. Is it clear how this event is going to be firing?
Yes, sir.
From jQuery. Yeah. In the same way, you can implement multiple events. So I am actually implementing a click event here. But if you want, you can implement multiple other kind of events also. You can implement like click event is done, but you can implement a mouse over, mouse out. See, writing event in jQuery is very simple, straightforward. Focus event, blur event, all events you can try to do practice with. All events you can try to do practice with. Okay, this is not a big deal. And I have some actually work now, and we will continue tomorrow. Okay, I have some meeting. We will continue tomorrow at the same time, 4 p.m. Is it okay, everyone? Is it okay, everyone?